Welcome, and today we are in the community of Dunham Pointe. Where is this community located? In Cypress, Texas. Where is Cypress, Texas? You say is northwest of downtown Houston, approximately 25 to 30 minutes driving. The community of Dunham Pointe currently has approximately 8 to 10 builders currently building houses just like people for you. It's composed of 1,300 acres. This community is bringing amazing amenities such as splash pads, a fitness center, family pool with cabanas, and a playground for the kids to run around. The model home that we're going to be viewing today is by Coventry Home. Its model name is Dimit. It has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. Square feet is 4,587, and it comes with a 3-car garage. Guys, I won't say nothing more, just enjoy the rest of the showing of this beautiful new construction home. Hey guys, so tell me, what did you think about this beautiful home? Leave in the comments below what was your favorite part of the house. My name is Dany Lopez and I'm a Houston realtor, and I service all of Houston and surrounding cities. Please leave a comment, follow and like, so I could help other people just like you that are looking to purchase. Thank you very much for watching to the end. Remember, leave a like and follow, and have a blessed day.